Online marketing is already tough enough, so why make it harder? Too many marketers go broke by working hard instead of smart. For every 100 people that see your online offer, maybe 2 to 6 will buy. That's just the industry stats. Most marketers try to increase the number of buyers, so trying to turn 2 into 3 or 6 into 9, you get the point, which costs potentially thousands of dollars in ads, traffic, copywriters, discounts, or any of the combination above. But these marketers could achieve their profit goals much easier by simply getting existing buyers to buy more. So why fight to get prospects off the fence when you've got buyers ready to spend money right now? Hey, this is Jason Fulton, and I've got a confession. As a buyer, I absolutely love being offered upgrades and options when I shop. As a marketer, added value options are what make me the majority of my profits. Today, more buyers shop online than ever before. Why is it that most marketers don't give buyers options to upgrade their experience? Sometimes it's because marketers don't have another product to offer. Often it's because the technology and tools you need to set up these automated profit machines are just too damn complicated. So picture this: maximizing your profits on complete autopilot, without fancy tools, hiring developers, or paying for expensive ads. With a point-and-click, extremely powerful software that lets you run highly profitable, complete sales funnels in less time than it takes to post your latest selfie on Facebook, even if you've never sold a thing online before. Welcome to Affiliate X Pro. This all-in-one software does 3 amazing things for you inside one dashboard. First, it completely automates your commissions. Second, it drives 100% free viral traffic to your offers. And third, it builds you a subscriber list while it's making you money, so you can bank long-term profits promoting to your new customers. So here's how it works. Affiliate X Pro was developed from hard stats based on the most successful affiliate campaigns from the past 5 years, winning evergreen products with sky-high conversion rates, featuring perfect upsells and upgrades that maximize profits per sale, matched with advanced automation tech that lets you duplicate these results with just a few mouse clicks. You can set these automated profit machines up in 60 seconds or less, and below you'll see a demo proving it. Pick an offer from the dozens of proven top converters, customize your automated funnel with your own branding, logos, and text with the built-in drag and drop editor. Flip the traffic switch to start driving 100% free viral traffic from 7 massive social networks. One-click integrate your autoresponder and other platforms to let the software build your list while it makes you hands-free commissions. If it sounds too easy, it's because it really is too easy. This is the first time such advanced tech has combined with such a winning collection of profitable, completely done-for-you sales funnels. On the page below, you'll see a demo of the software in action, plus a case study of before and after proof alongside testimonials from real marketers that have put Affiliate X Pro through its paces, and all the details of the powerful automated features that take your profits to the next level. You won't need experience or tech skills, and you won't need a website or a domain. We'll even cover the cost of hosting all your Affiliate X Pro funnels for you, so they are at 0 ongoing expenses. And in case you missed it, the traffic's included and it's 100% free. Want to start an online business from scratch and be making 3+ figure daily profits in as little as 24 hours from now? Would you like to effortlessly add multiple income streams to your existing business? Affiliate X Pro makes it 3-step easy, with a proven and tested software built from top converting campaigns to maximize your profits. During this limited launch special, you'll get the software and complete step-by-step training for one low price. When you act now, you'll also take home 2 powerful bonuses to skyrocket your results. You'll get access to our VIP Facebook community and live coaching, plus our over-the-shoulder case study of how we used Affiliate X Pro to launch a campaign from scratch and profit over $1,842.37 using nothing more than the software and 100% free traffic. We're so confident Affiliate X Pro will work for you that we'll take on all the risk and offer you a 30-day money-back guarantee. If at any point over the next 30 days you honestly feel this software and system hasn't helped you, just ask for a refund. Of course, our dedicated support team is on hand to help you resolve any issue. Your results are what count, and this team is here to get you the results you deserve. So check out the full details below. Lock in your discounted one-time price access before this jumps to a monthly subscription. Take home the powerful money-making bonuses and get ready to automate your commissions in literally just minutes per day. We look forward to seeing you on the inside.
Hello friends, this is Mosh Barry. Welcome to the demo of FLX Pro. Now we have a stopwatch here. We're going to start the stopwatch and create a brand new campaign, a high converting brand new campaign, a complete affiliate funnel, and we will see how much time it takes. Now, first of all, I have already connected my autoresponder, which is done only once in a lifetime, and then I connected the Snap Auto Poster system with a Facebook account. So whenever I create a new campaign, that landing page will be shared with Facebook automatically. And we will see the process, how much time it takes to do everything. So let's begin. First of all, we want the link generation tool, and at the same time we will add a new campaign. Right, let's say unlock your hip is the offer we want to use. So generate link and copy to clipboard. Awesome. And this is going to be unlock here and publish it. Once you publish, edit with FLX Pro. "47 seconds gone." Let's refresh the page. Great. So we're going to click here and select a template. We have a template here for unlock my hip. Hit insert and it's inserted. The only thing I need to do is to click on the autoresponder form and action after submit. I want redirect to my affiliate link, and I also want the lead to be added to my autoresponder, and boom. So in 2 minutes 2 seconds my campaign is ready, and I'm going to show you. All right, so the document is live, right? So let me show you the proof. First of all, you can view the page. Okay, and let's go to the Facebook page where it's supposed to be shared, right? And it should be within last 2 to 3 minutes. So I have already tested 22 minutes before. So let's refresh the page and see the latest share. So this one is shared just now. New post, unlock your hip here. Remember, that was the post name, has been published. And if you click here, that's our page. Now let us sign up and use an email. Give me access. and now the page is automatically redirected to the offer, to the affiliate offer. So this creates an affiliate funnel in just 2 minutes. That's great. Awesome. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed it. This is how it works. It takes just 2 minutes to create a complete affiliate funnel, a high converting affiliate funnel, and start getting traffic automatically from auto social posting. If you loved how it works, then click the buy button now and get your copy of Affiliate Pro before the price rises. Mosh Barry signing off. Take care. Bye bye.